all good things?
Let's go to the park!
Must come to an end, and that is why we are here today. And today marks the end of SeaWorld's summer concert series here at the Bayside Amphitheater. I figured since we were here for the beginning of the concert series, we might as well be here for the end. Now, other than Vanilla Ice, I was able to make it to one other show in this series this summer with a couple of friends a couple of weeks ago. And that was the Tiffany and Jennifer Page show on July 23rd. And to be honest, I didn't know a whole lot of music from either one of them, but Jennifer Page has a voice that could melt the coldest iceberg, and Tiffany has the strongest voice ever. Seriously, girl can belt it out. And so today, on this Sunday, Ashanti is closing out the summer concert series. And to be honest, I really don't know her music either, but I'm looking forward to the show. I'm always down for a good live show. But the show doesn't start for several hours, so we're gonna find some stuff to do in the meantime. Priority number one, go ride some roller coasters. Be back in a bit.
Fasten your restraint. Fasten your restraint. Electric Eel, Manta. Round one. Ride.
Mortal Coaster!
Journey to Atlantis. Tidal Twister. Emperor. Arctic Rescue. Electric Eel. Manta. Emperor. Journey to Atlantis. Round two. Ride.
Mortal Coaster!
Journey to Atlantis. Tidal Twister. Emperor. Arctic Rescue. Electric Eel. Manta.
All right, that's about enough coastering for the moment. After that last ride there on Journey to Atlantis, I am soaked. I don't normally go on that ride on production days just for that reason alone, but yeah, right now I'm pretty wet. The first drop got me pretty decent, but after the second drop, pretty much a wave just crashed over me, so yeah, drenched. And so we're taking a break. Not gonna do that one right now. No, really, my shorts, my shoes, everything's soaked. To put it in perspective, I might be drier if I had just walked into the water right there. Thankfully, it's kind of warm today, so the water is evaporating relatively quickly. So yeah, just gonna take a break from the coasters right now. Might try to get a ride on Arctic Rescue later. We'll see. And I gotta say, it was pretty nice to ride Electric Eel again. It had been a while, and the ride was closed for a bit. And speaking of closed coasters, Tidal Twister is still closed, and I'm not quite sure what to think about it. There's been some buzz on the internet saying the ride is closed for good, even though that's not what it says on the website or the in-park signage. But it is missing from the map on the mobile app. So I'm hearing it's staying, I'm hearing it's going. One site I saw even said that the ride was tearing itself apart. I'm not sure what to believe. But I guess ultimately, we'll just have to wait and see. Because I'm not about to perpetuate any rumors that aren't true. Just telling you what I heard. Now there's something that's not a rumor. It's the new menu for the Shipwreck Reef Cafe. Interesting, as Beavis would say. Yeah, it looks like the cheeseburger and the Beyond Burger are back, and they got a new chicken sandwich and chicken tenders. Ooh, they got pizza now. but unfortunately, the restaurant is not open yet. Yeah, I'll be looking forward to the reopening of this restaurant. It's my favorite. Because food aside, Shipwreck Reef Cafe, I think, has the best theming of any restaurant in the park. Yeah, to me, this is just the most relaxing place to eat in all of SeaWorld San Diego. And my favorite spot is right back in there, where those red umbrellas are. Because you can watch the sea turtles swim around right in there. And you can watch the Shipwreck Rapids rafts go by, the ride that the cafe sits right in the middle of. And if you're here at the right time, you can watch the turtles eat too. And you don't even gotta buy a special Dine with the Sea Turtles package. Sweet. You know what? Speaking of restaurants and food, I think it's time for lunch. All right, so today we're going with the cheeseburger and fries from the Explorers Cafe. And just for the heck of it, I got an Emperor IPA. If you didn't know, SeaWorld names some of these beverages, these adult beverages, after some of its rides. And they're tasty. Let's dig in. Okay, yeah, that hit the spot. And you know what? I was joined by your friend and mine. Dun, 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 Poser Bird. How you doing, Peebs? I know, that was really rude of them. I'm sorry. Well, I hope you'll find something good to eat today. All right, see you later, Peebs. It's always good to see friends like Peebs while I'm here. Where's Harry Knight? Your guess is as good as mine. I haven't seen him anywhere lately. But we may be seeing more of Heron and Peebs in the future, particularly in animated form, because there's some stuff coming up, some stuff going on that I haven't talked about. So there's going to be some changes coming to the Let's Go to the Park channel. Some adjustments, some improvements, everything all for the better. And I'm not going to get into too much detail right now, but what I can say is from a production standpoint, this is going to be a game changer. And if you've already been in the community section, you already probably kind of have a little bit of an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm excited for what's coming. You should be too. I mean, you don't have to be, but it'd be a lot cooler if you did. And speaking of the community section, as well as my other social media, I'd just like to take a moment to thank everybody who likes, shares, subscribes, and interacts in any other way, comments, etc. You are appreciated. That kind of stuff puts a little extra fuel in my gas tank, if you know what I mean. Oh, check it out. The Howl-O-Scream is getting some love already. I've been looking forward to that since last October. I'm just wondering if I need to put some sort of magnetic shielding around my camera this year. It does such weird things when it's around all those ghouls and ghosts and goblins and stuff. Seems to work fine afterwards, though. Of course, what I really want to know is, will Tony be there?
Hey, what's up? Where you going? Who's in there? Hey, my name is Tony. Get me out of here. I'm freaking out. Hey.
What a great guy. You can't have the Howl-O-Scream without Tony.
And it came to pass in those days that suddenly some friends came by floating on a raft. And we went to a concert.
Okay, so I got in line for the show and it's pretty long. And it's hot out. And the concert doesn't start for another hour and a half, so we got a little bit of waiting. And the line's moving. Gonna make our way to our seats. All right, got my seat for the show. And there's still about a half an hour left until it starts, but my my goodness. Is this place packed? DJ is on the stage.
Are you ready for Ashanti? Just clap your hands to the beat. Just clap your hands to the beat. Say ho! Say ho! Say ho, ho, ho! Now somebody scream!
You call always on, I'll be on time. Give you my love.
Really loving in the park.
Remember when I used to come to your range?
Make some noise for Ashanti one time. Make some noise. Thank you, SeaWorld. Thank you, San Diego. We love you. Thank you.
Whoa, check it out. There's a little bit of that electric ocean that I miss. Hey, you know what? Since it's the last day of the summer spectacular here at SeaWorld, let's take one more little peek at the parade. Alright, since we didn't ride Arctic Rescue earlier because I was drenched, we're gonna try and see if we can get a ride on it now. Haven't done a night ride on that one yet. Should be fun. Okay, so my GoPro doesn't work very good at night in low light, but trust me, a night ride on Arctic Rescue is awesome. Highly recommend. And with that, it's about time for me to head out. The park is closing now, so gotta head out anyways. Thank you so much for joining me on this little trip to SeaWorld San Diego for the end of the concert series and the Ashanti concert, and a whole lot of fun. Till next time, see you later.
Hey, quiet.